In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project into Asana using a CSV or Excel file. We'll follow the exact navigation you'll see inside Asana, so you can watch and do this alongside me. Start inside your Asana workspace with the area where you want the project to live open. Look to the top bar and click the plus to create button. This opens a small menu of options. From that menu, select Project. This takes you to the project creation screen. Here, you'll notice a few ways to start a project. Because we're bringing in an existing plan, click Import, which you'll find right beside Blank Project. You'll now see a prompt that says, First, tell us about your project. In the Project Name field, type a clear, descriptive name. This field is required, and a thoughtful name makes it easier for teammates to find and understand the work later. Next, choose the privacy setting for the project. Decide whether it should be visible to your whole team or restricted to specific members. If your file includes sensitive information or early-stage planning, it's usually safer to start private and open it up later. If you're in a specific team space, confirm the destination in the header so the project lands in the right place. A clear start saves cleanup later. When you're ready, click Select File to import. Before you browse, tidy the spreadsheet. One task per row, simple column headers, and no merged cells. Have your CSV or Excel file saved locally and closed in other apps. Asana supports common spreadsheet formats, and it works best when your first row contains column headers like task name or due date. Also, double-check that you're not uploading any confidential data you don't want shared in your workspace. Upload your CSV or Excel file. On this screen, you'll see the message, Set up your project by uploading screenshots, documents, presentations, or spreadsheets. That's simply confirming you're in the right place to bring files into Asana. After the file is selected, click Continue. Asana will process the file and prepare your new project. Depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this can take a moment. Once processed, you'll be ready to review the imported tasks and organize them exactly how your team works. You've successfully started importing a project into Asana using a CSV or Excel file. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.